Introductory exercises to help you with pronunciation of the letter R, part 2. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share it with somebody. Subscribe if you want to see more, but do press the black bell icon so that you don't miss any new videos. Thank you again. In this video, I will tell you about the next exercises that are a little more difficult. I hope that you watched my first video and practiced for 2 or 3 weeks. You are ready to go to the next level. At this point, we will focus on replacing the sound R with the syllable you practiced before, d. For example, you need to replace in the word rak the letter R with D, so you end up with didak. The word ryba you pronounce as dyba. Now say the word rock as dydok. In this way, almost a vibration is created and the tongue gets used to the double hit, and this is what we need to evoke R. We do the same when R is in the middle of the word. For example, murek, we say mudek. And at the end of the words, like mur, we pronounce mud. If we have words like rover, we will say them over. This rule applies to all words that start with the letter R. If a word has a D or T, for example in drewno, we pronounce D only once, like this, drewno, dewno. Trąbka, pronounced tąbka. Cytryna, pronounced cytyna. Truskawka, pronounced truskawka. Now you need to open the dictionary on the letter R and practice. Have fun! To tyle na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia!